A new sink or tap can help make a sleek upgrade to any kitchen or add to the perfect laundry setup. So make sure you shop for models that look good and make your everyday easier. Consider the functionality, visual appeal, and efficiency. First, functionality. Busy kitchens love dual bowl sinks for cleaning dishes, prepping food, and washing hands. Short on bench space? Clever sinks have a built-in ledge for a cutting board or drainer. A mixer tap is simple to operate in a kitchen, laundry, or bathroom, and pull-out hoses let you reach across double sinks and direct water where you need it. Next, visual appeal. From coastal chic to urban luxe, your sink zone can bring the vibe. Choose chrome for a slick modern look that's easy to clean, or add a touch of drama to your bench with matte black quartz. It's stain and heat resistant. For a show-stopping tap, you can't go past a high, slender gooseneck. Great for filling and cleaning large pots and pans. Don't forget efficiency. Buying the right tap can help you save water at home, so check the WELS star rating on your favourites. And to save you time and effort finding the perfect pair, consider a sink and tap package. Ready to go shopping? The good guys are here to help. Visit us in-store or online.